Today, we will follow together one of the most selective simulations of the AON Cut E exam on CadetPrep Academy, Spatial Orientation. Let's first take a look at the tutorial. In this game, we have two main instruments. One is the gyro and the other is the RBI indicator. We will first look at the aircraft's heading on the gyro, then pay attention to where the pilot inside the aircraft sees the target on the RBI, and place the correct aircraft in the correct position. To find out which aircraft is the correct one, we will first look at the heading on the gyro. Then we will check where it needs to be placed and make our move. In the first question, the aircraft's heading is southwest, meaning its nose is pointing southwest. Which of the four aircraft below is pointing southwest? Let's identify that first. This aircraft is pointing southwest. Assuming you are the pilot of the southwest-facing aircraft, where do you see the target? That is shown on the RBI. To understand this, when we place the aircraft over the RBI, the pilot will see the target. In the northwest direction, exactly northwest. We identify which of the numbers below would place the pilot with the target to the northwest and drop it there. As you can see, when we place it on number 1, if you were the pilot, the target is to the northwest. Correct answer, let's move on. Using the same logic, let's move on to the second question. The aircraft's nose is pointing southeast. Among the four aircraft, since this is easy mode, only one is turned toward the southeast. In other modes, you will see different aircraft combinations. We will pick this aircraft and place it somewhere. To determine where to place it, the pilot will see the target to the southeast, meaning the target will be to the south and east of the pilot. In which position would the target be to the south and east of the pilot? If we place it on 5, it would be to the south and west. If we place it on number 3, it would be to the south and east. We mark it. Correct answer. We moved on to the next question. The aircraft is heading southwest, closer to south. This is the aircraft heading closer to south in the southwest direction. In this aircraft, the pilot sees the target directly to the east. If we place it here, will the pilot see the target to the east? Yes, we said on number 3, the pilot sees the target directly to the east. But the part we missed is that since the aircraft is facing southwest, if we had placed it on 4, the pilot would have seen it directly to the east. We made a mistake here. The correct answer should have been 4. Moving on to the next question. The aircraft's heading is northwest. The aircraft is turned toward the northwest, so this is the correct aircraft. The pilot in the northwest-facing aircraft will see the target directly to the west. That was quite a simple question. The target is directly to the west. The game is actually a simple game, but it requires a bit of practice. When we exit the game, we can see that with 1 correct and 1 wrong answer so far, we scored 50%. Our best score is 100%. And according to our overall statistics, we are in the 43rd percentile. When we return to the cockpit, the skills this simulation provides us are spatial ability and working memory. Looking at our statistics, we can observe that both have increased.
For this simulation and much more, daily task tracking, skill matrix progress, and complete exam preparation, visit CadetPrep Academy now.